Smell of fresh cut grass. Mustaq was busy yesterday with fogging. Yeah, can I talk to my friends for a little while, please? Oh my god. I just called Daddy not to find out about his eye. Yesterday went to the doctor, right? Want to find out. He said they put some drops, dilate the eyes, and then did some tests. He'll be going back next week. I tell him also about the trip to India. I was waiting for. I got to go lah. Can't I talk to my friends? No, I was waiting for things to get confirmed first before I mention anything to him. He was driving. He said he'll call me back once he gets to the office. Love the smell. Freshly cut grass. Okay. Second coffee. It's gonna rain. She's gone. She's looking at the wall, sulking away. Okay. Oh yeah. Got to go.